Hi, and welcome back to my third and final screencast. My next PLN is Facebook. Facebook allows you to connect with others, post your thoughts, reply to others' posts, and join in on Facebook pages. Facebook has a teaching page that the teachers in the South, Central, and North Jersey can join and post ideas and sell teaching items they no longer use. As a student teacher or new teacher starting out, it can be overwhelming to feel like you need to buy a surplus of supplies. Facebook pages allows one another to sell their items they have used for a lower price. This creates a teaching community where they can also share ideas and experience, all while buying cheaper teaching supplies and getting everything they need to get and start for their new school year. So the next great thing about Facebook is that Facebook is also free. So it'll remain free. You can go ahead and create a new account. I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and hit login. And once I log in, you are brought to the main newsfeed page where you can see that all my friends go ahead and they post things. Ads pop up for clothes that I buy, so that's really nice. So on Facebook, you can go ahead and write any post that you want. So I'm going to type in, "Hi, this is for a class project." And with that, I can add photos. I can tag friends. So if I want, I can tag my roommate. Her name is Emily, and I can share that to Facebook. So it'll pop up on the newsfeed, and you can like it. You can share it. So once you share it, that'll be shared on your profile as well. You can comment on it. So anyone can comment on it. I'll go ahead and comment, say, "Thank you for posting." And you hit enter. On Facebook, you can also go ahead and you can hit create up in this top corner. So you can create your own page, you can create an ad, you can create a group, an event, a marketplace listing. So with marketplace, that allows you to sell items back and forth between anyone on Facebook. By creating an event, a lot of my friends create events by making a birthday event if they're turning 21 or 22 or having a house party. You will create an event and you can invite anyone on Facebook who are your friends, and they can respond if they're going, if they're not going, if they will maybe be going, and then you can also post on the feed in there as well. You can create a group, so the group would be about your shared interests. So that goes along with the teaching as well. So if you type in the search bar up in this left corner and you type in the teacher connection page, for instance, is one of the groups on Facebook. So this is a place for teachers to share their creative teacher lessons, arts, hacks, and advice. So you can ask to join the group because it's a closed group, so people who are not in it cannot see the posts. And as soon as you join that, you're then brought into a group and that you can all share and post any of your ideas. Carrying on with the groups, you can go ahead and make shortcuts for yourself. So if you look to the left, on my left side of the screen, you'll see I have a list of shortcuts, and these are all the important pages and groups that I'm a part of. So it makes it easier for me to find the pages. So if I go ahead and click on Accepted Stockton Students, it's my class of 2020, and in here is where anyone in my grade posts any meetings that are going to be at Stockton, any events, if anyone needs a roommate. And then at this top corner, I'm going to click on my name, and this is going to bring me directly to my profile. So this is my profile. These are all the friends I have. You can post photos. Your archives are things you have on Facebook that only you can see. So I can create a post. I can post a photo, video. I can also live chat, or I can post a life event. And then these are all the things that I've been tagged in. It's personal. Then we'll go back to the home page. So as a future teacher, I will use Facebook as my online resource to post updates for my class to see. I can go ahead and create a Facebook page that is a closed group to our classroom only. I have the ability to post discussion posts so that my students have the ability to reply as well and reply to their fellow classmates' posts and comments also. I will also be able to post life updates for anyone's birthdays and create events so that the students know what upcoming things we have coming to our school to keep them organized and on top of their schoolwork. I will also join in on teacher pages where I can share, post, and sell teacher supplies and give ideas to other teachers from around the world and allow us to come together to make our classrooms the best.